First impressions matter, especially in retail. Your floors are the foundation of how customers experience your brand. We design durable, low-maintenance concrete flooring that not only resists wear, but also elevates your space. Worn, stained, and uneven floors don't just look bad, they hurt your brand. They increase slip and fall risks and interrupt daily operations. Cracked or dull surfaces repel customers, while frequent repairs cost you time and money. That's why we offer tailored solutions built for commercial and retail spaces. Whether it's the modern shine of polished concrete, a bold epoxy finish that reflects your brand colors, or a clean sealed concrete base, we help tell your story. Our floors are made for constant traffic. They're tough enough to handle shopping carts, heavy footfall, and everyday wear without cracking, chipping, or dulling. Maintenance is simple. Seamless surfaces make it easy to wipe away spills, dirt, and scuffs. That means your staff spends less time cleaning and more time serving customers. Wondering what's best for high traffic areas? We recommend polished concrete or epoxy. Both are incredibly durable, easy to maintain, and fully customizable. Need flexibility around business hours? No problem. We schedule installations after hours or on weekends to avoid disrupting your operations. Worried about safety or maintenance? Don't be. We offer slip-resistant finishes and low-maintenance surfaces designed with both your team and your customers in mind. At CustomCrete, you don't just get a floor, you get a full-service process, from material selection to expert installation. We handle everything with minimal downtime so your business stays on track. Ready to transform your space? Fill out our Request a Quote form today, and one of our flooring specialists will contact you to schedule a consultation.